Jeff, your apple seems to have slipped. Is that better? Everybody, that might be a bit hard. What about you, Ringo? What have you got there?
Well, it's a cowbell. You ready? Smoothie. Everybody, let's have some fruit salad.
Everyone, clap your hands. Come on, let's have some fun. Yeah. Let's sing.